Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another Hobby Lobby canvas inspirational DIY, and this one is a canvas that I got from Hobby Lobby about a year and a half ago, and it have the crushed glass look on the canvas. Here you can see the textures, and you can see that they're clear pieces of glass that they have placed on the canvas. Now this is a picture of the canvas that I have. I think I got it a few years ago from a thrift store, and I did lighten the frame. The frame was like a dark brown, so I lightened the canvas up by painting the frame white. So in this video I am going to show you how I took some crushed glass and I applied it to this canvas to give it this look like this Hobby Lobby one here. So come on in guys, and let me show you how I took my thrift canvas from the thrift store and turned it into a Hobby Lobby inspired canvas. For this project, I'm using Mod Podge, 3 different sizes of paintbrushes, and the crushed glass, also some utility gloves and my tweezers. Now, if you want to bling it, you can use the glitter or sequins as well. I'm not using it in this project. But the first thing I did was put down my Mod Podge. You want to work in small areas. And also, I would suggest you make sure you're using your gloves. Now I put down the crushed glass, and I'm just putting the Mod Podge on top. But if you're going to bling it, you want to put the Mod Podge down first, then add in your sequins or your glitter. And then once you add in the sequins and glitter, or glitter, either one, then you put your crushed glass on top, and then seal it with the Mod Podge. And the one thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you're sealing the Mod Podge with the Mod Podge, sealing the crushed glass with the Mod Podge. Now in this part, you'll see here that I'm using my smaller brush to work in the Mod Podge in the smaller areas where I want to apply the crushed glass. So once I've completed that particular section, in each section hereafter, I took my hand and just firmly pressed down on it. Not too hard, but firm enough to make sure that the glass pieces are spreaded out so they will stick with the glue. and then I just went in and filling spots that I wanted the glass to be. And now for the rest of this, I'm just going to finish it off camera. Now this is what it looks like when I've completed most of the areas where I want the cut glass to be. And for the smaller spaces, I'm going to use more of the crush pieces. And I had to actually go and crush some of the glass to make it smaller to go in these areas here that I'm doing. And that's where I'm using the tiny skinny brush to apply the Mod Podge in those areas. And then of course I'm using the crushed glass. So basically I took some of the cut glass and I crushed it to make the pieces smaller like this, to place them on this particular part of the painting. The final thing I'm going to do is go back through and make sure that I have Mod Podge covered in all the areas, and cover the cracked glass for two reasons. One, because the cracked glass is sharp, the Mod Podge is going to dull it, and two, you want to make sure the Mod Podge is covering the glass so it will dry over the glass to keep it on the canvas. So basically I'm just going across the whole painting to do that. And it took about 2 days for it to completely dry, because as I stated before, you're using a good bit of Mod Podge to apply the glass on here and for it to stay. So here is the final look, and this is how it came out, and I thought it came out pretty good. It ties in the look from this particular painting to the one that I got from Hobby Lobby, because I do have them hung close by. I just thought that this would be a great project to do, to tie the two together. Well guys, that's it for this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, so you can receive future notifications on all of my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.